Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the red light fall on your Bosch Tassimo Happy. So if you go to put your pod in, and then when you go to close it, it comes up with a red light, then it's a nice easy fix. So if you have a watch now, if I do this, nothing will come out, it just goes to amber. So you can see it's on orange, not red, but yet it's not working at all. If I open it and close it again, it will go to red. The problem we've got is, it's hard to see in the camera, but that is red there. The problem we've got is it's reading the barcode, but it's not fully reading the barcode. And the reason it's not fully reading the barcode is probably because of dirt. Now on this one here, I've purposely put coffee in it just to mimic the full of what you would have in real life. But if you have a look at each of these here, they've each got a little barcode on, and that's how the machine knows how much fluid to put through. So it needs to read that barcode, and the barcode is just here. So I'm just going to take this out by lifting this up here because it will make it a lot easier to clean. So if we lift that up there, you will see that this is the barcode, and I've just placed some coffee on it just to mimic what the fault would be. But you can see we have natural staining all around here, so it'd be very easy to get that natural staining down here as well. And if this barcode reader is covered, partially covered, then you're going to get your red light fault. So just get a little cotton bud, a Q-tip, and just put some warm water on it, not too wet, and just give this a nice good wash and wipe around here. Get rid of all the old coffee, and then you'll see that it will actually work. So now if we put this back in, so just going to place that in at that angle there and let that drop into place like so. Now if I place this in here, you will see that when we put it down, no longer does it go to red, and then you will be able to make your cup of coffee. So if you're having the red light fault, just check out that barcode reader. You'll probably find that it's dirty. And there you go, you can see now it's coming through. Thanks for watching.